Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you want to create your own YouTube account, then this video for you. In this video I will show how to create your own YouTube account step by step process. Then let's get start. To create YouTube account, you first need to create Gmail account. Open Chrome or Google on your phone and search for create Gmail account. Then click on create Gmail account. A page like this will open. Scroll down and click on create account. On the next page, click create account again and select for my personal use. Then tap next. And on the next page, enter your first name and last name. Then click next. I will fill the first name and surname or last name. Then click on next. On the next page, enter your date of birth correctly and select your gender. Then tap next. Google will suggest some Gmail addresses. If you like one of them, select it and tap next. If choose the third option to create your own Gmail address. And the next, click the next. Now create a strong password and tap the next. Now your Gmail account is ready. Scroll down and click the I agree. Now your Gmail account is ready. Now the server is too busy, that's why too late. Then we will go to the open the YouTube app. Tap the profile icon, bottom right corner, a page like this will open. Tap on profile name, then choose a create a channel. Enter your channel name. Choose a name that matches the type of videos you want to create. For example, since I create a finance related videos, I am using the name Wealth Code Vision. So you can upload as your videos like finance video or comedy video. I will choose the finance video, that's why I will suggest the Wealth Code Vision. I will set the name and you can click the top of the save, then save the page. As usual, you can use the name your own. Okay, then you can choose the upload your channel logo. Then tap a create a channel. I will normally I can upload the my channel logo Wealth Code Vision. I will create in AI or ChatGPT. You can create a logo in a Pixel Lab app and upload your logo on your YouTube channel. I will suggest create in ChatGPT. Then click on the create channel. I will click and that's will our channel is created. Next, what will create now? You can see the Wealth Code Vision. We are uploaded our profile photo. So now go back and open Chrome again. Search for. You can see. You can go and search a YouTube Studio login. You can type it YouTube Studio login. Now you can see YouTube Studio login. I will type it. You can type it also. So next open next YouTube Studio. You can see the. You can again come and YouTube Studio. Click on the YouTube Studio. And then you will see the page YouTube Studio login. Open the first result and sign with your Gmail account. You can see I am already login. So you can see the once the page open, click on the settings at the bottom of left. You can see, you can search and go to the channel. Under the general section, select your country. Now you can see, select your country. They enter next. I will select my country India. I love India. Then keywords based on your content. My channel was under a finance video, so I will enter the keywords like finance video and viral video suggest. You can see the first of all you can fill the keywords like your channel name, then viral video or based on your videos. Okay, and then you can choose the. You can look next. Open advanced setting. Next, advanced settings. Select no, this channel is not made for kids. Leave the remaining settings as they are. Okay, next, now click on the future eligibility. Then first option will already enabled. to enable the second option, click verify phone number. Select your country and your phone number. Select your country and your phone number. Click next. Enter the OTP you receive and complete the verification. You can see I am already completed and submitted. And come back. After that, go back to setting future eligibility and open the third option for document verification. Choose the first options, click next, and QR code will be appear below it. Click get an email. Open your Gmail and click start verification. Allow the all required permission. Click I agree and complete the face verification. You can see my Gmail and start verification. Open your Gmail and click start verification. Allow the required permission. Click I agree and complete the face verification. Click I agree and complete the face verification. So you can see, you can click on the next. Scroll down and click on next. Click on next and then and allow, and the verification may take some time, so please be patient. You can see how to verification your face verification. See, that will take a time up to 24 hours. Your video is in review. Once the verification is complete, all three options will show green, which means they are successfully enabled. Okay, you can see the enable all three. Then now open the YouTube app and upload your videos. And you can see the notification will come, advanced features unlocked, try creating. Now open YouTube app and upload your videos. Add all the required details correctly. You can see I will choose first 20k salary monthly budget plan. You can see, and click the next, and you can select a trending video. I will typing here trending video, and I will choose some trending songs. Yes, you can choose. I will select some important or famous songs. Okay, you can see. Okay, I will click on the next. You can see that will take a processing, that will take some seconds. Then you can see a title. You will give to a title as on your video, like my video on finance. I will typing money saving in 20k monthly salary. You can type your on your based on your video. Okay, see, and you will have to know how you give a title for that. Okay, then saving video. Okay, next I will come more and give add description, or you will click on no, it's not made for kids. Okay, next location I will give India because I am from India. You can click your country, and next you cannot that you don't click that. Okay, AI use, you can click yes or no. Okay, I will use no. Then add tags, that's very important. Hashtags are very important for viral your video. Okay, how to saving money and money saving video. Okay, you can feel the very much good. Okay, then you can see and click on upload short. Okay, you can see I will upload my video. Okay, see the earnings and views. 1 million views and subscribe will come. Okay friends, you can see, and thank. Okay friends, this video is useful for you, then subscribe our channel, like the video and share this video for your friends and your family friends. Okay friends, then see you in the next video. Thank you so much.